My name is Sahiti. I'm from Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Andhra Pradesh. Our main logo is of to enable speech impaired people. Uh, the online application named Vishnu Tarang, and it is really beneficial for the people who are dumb because they can't express the feelings what they have inside with the signs basically, and most of us don't know, can't understand the signs of those dumb people. So in order to make them for making them lack of depression, we are encouraging them in doing the uploading this online application in Android, and they can travel alone with this Android application mobile, where it's available in 6 languages, and each in all the languages the icons are same, so that you can easily identify in any other language the icons, and you can recognize anything. And the main system motto is that they'll get a bit of the what is the bravery to come out of the box, where and they come and just roam out of without any hesitation. And if you suppose if you are you know English, and I know only Tamil, so the icons are same, so using those icons I can express my view in the language which you want, which is preferable for you. And you have a GPS system where if I am lost anywhere and I don't know the place where it is, so in that mobile 2 emergency numbers will be there recorded, so that as soon as within a one tap immediately they'll get the message that you are lost. And as soon as they connect the net there, they'll immediately find out which position you at present where you are there, and immediately they can come and they'll come in contact with you. So that there's no problem, that they can come out easily, and they don't even get afraid of coming out, or if they lost also. And even other way you can use not only the main theme is for speech impaired, and even normal people can use this application, where if you travel any other place, you don't know that language, but you know at least know what you need, you can express them with those any language which is applicable. And present we have in 6 languages: English, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu and Kannada. And
What are the major constraints that you felt, pressing constraints you felt till now?
means like
Actually, we
The
wanted
difficulties.
more languages means you
like
don't know this.
difficulties means basically first thing they can't express each and everything. Like if you're getting pain, means okay, a normal pain you can, stomach pain means you can express. If you're getting nose pain or finger pain, anything, headache, you can't express almost every feeling. So in that application you have all types of things, so that easily when as soon as you tap it, they'll get the person beside you can get to know what is happening to you easily.
Okay, so and what is your vision about it? Till what level you want to take this application?
We want this level. Firstly, at present, we implemented in our location, Bhimavaram, and throughout the state and all over India, and even we want to implement in even all the countries, so that the dumb people, speech impaired, can have that bravery that they can come out, they can do anything without anyone's help. That is the main motto for us.
And how does Manthan boost your initiative?
The Manthan Award is mainly very beneficial because it shows that the development of the people in new ways, many new ways, innovations. You will have new types of innovations. It resembles all the types of categories, like most of the categories throughout the countries, and the best one which is available, so that if we categorize or recognize that thing, so throughout not only India, throughout the Asia, they can understand, they can know everything, and they can express everything to the people. So through that, not only in a particular place, throughout the country or throughout the world, they can know what is going on in the particular place, how you can utilize, each and every person can utilize this